The project is a Java database management system aimed to be used in the Bennett environment while also keeping it general to store whatever type of data they want, be it marks, attendance, time to solve code, etc.
In today's world, every organization requires record data for calculation and storage purposes. This job, when manually done, requires a lot of labor, so they need a database system for easing the job. It could be a restaurant calculating the average earnings of a day, or a university faculty calculating the average marks of a student, or any other organization requiring to record data on a daily basis.
Our project provides a platform to store and manipulate data, as it is capable to perform various multiple calculations. It saves users time as it gets the calculation done with a single click.
The project was coded on Java version 8. We used MySQL connector to connect the Java program to the SQL database. We use rs2xml, an external library, to display the SQL table onto the JTable. We use the Java Swing library to make the GUI components, and we use Window Builder to be able to drag and drop these GUI elements rather than hard code them. The SQL database was hosted on a server provided by free mysqlhosting.net. Upon opening the program, we are greeted by a login page in which we can enter our username and a password. After which it opens our main page containing all our different functions to manipulate the table and get data from it, and also to be able to view the table. The button in the top section allows us to manipulate data in the tables in the database, and the buttons at the bottom section allow us to get different types of values from different numeric columns of the table, as well as a special add user function for the admin. The add users function is a function exclusive for the admin, as he can add other users who can access this table and then manipulate it. For any user other than the admin, this button will not be enabled and will be grayed out. The functions themselves are pretty straightforward. The add data button allows us to add an entry. The delete button allows us to delete an entry. The add column button allows us to add a column and allows us to choose a data type for that column. And the delete column entry allows us to delete a column. The update button allows us to change entries that already exist. The average button takes all the elements in a certain column with a numeric data type and returns its average. The same goes for the max, min, and median button. We chose to use a very simple layout that just shows all the buttons and shows the table as well. Each of the buttons opens up to one other frame or one other page.
There are various future possibilities that we can work on, like we can import it as a CSV, that is an Excel file, and we can make it more graphical interface, like by adding graphs and pie charts. We can provide different level of access to different users. We can also work in more than one table. We can get more specified information by providing more relevant data to it, and there are various lots of other stuff that we can work in near future.